Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nia and I hope to inspire and help working moms like myself balance home and work life while still taking time out for themselves. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the spring Fabfitfun box. And one of the things that I really enjoy most about it is it helps hold me accountable for taking time out of my daily schedule and my daily routine to find a little bit of me time, mommy time. And for those of you moms out there, you know how crucial mommy time is. You're constantly giving and being there for your family, and it's so important to make sure that you also make time and take care of yourself. So through the fitness and the beauty and the skincare stuff that's in each and every box, it kind of helps me think of creative ways as to how I can take time and pamper myself. If you guys enjoy unboxing videos and would like to see more, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and let's jump into seeing what's in this spring Fabfitfun box. So this is what the spring box looks like, and I think it is absolutely gorgeous. They knock it out of the park every single season when they come to their boxes, to the point that I don't even want to throw them out. So each box also comes with this kind of, I guess, magazine newspaper that gives you a breakdown as to what's in each and every single box. So I will be using this while we are unboxing, and I believe it does also tell you the price of each item as well. The first thing is going to be this Ish Lip Statement Palette, and it is going to run you $42. This palette features 11 intensely pigmented shades and one balm that gives your lips a beautiful pop of color. It is going to look something like this, and it does also come with a brush as well. I'm excited to see how these colors will actually look on my skin tone, but there are a lot of beautiful natural nude kind of colors besides the reds that I definitely can find something that I can rock during this spring season. The Maya Brenner, and it looks like it is a love bracelet. Now this does come in silver or gold, but I received the silver one, and this is going to run you $65. So this item alone is already more than the subscription box in itself. This is something that is dainty and feminine and really something that you can rock on a daily basis. Next is this Rachel Pally reversible clutch in Bloom, Zara, or Paradise. I'm not really sure which one. I have maybe Paradise. So it's this print on the front and then this teal color on the back. I'm not the biggest fan of this, but it comes in two other patterns, which you can see back here, and this is going to run you $60. Now again, that's more than the subscription of the box alone. These pattern picks are the perfect complement to any outfit, and the best part, they're reversible. Yep, two clutches in one, and I'm all for that, because when you're traveling this summer or during the spring, this is going to be such a statement piece, and you don't have to worry about packing more than one clutch, because you're really getting two in one. This Free People leather starry-eyed travel eye mask, and it feels so good, you guys. This vegan leather eye mask features a removable, non-toxic cooling insert to keep you feeling and looking refreshed. This is going to run you $40, and they say to store the cooling pouch in the fridge to help depuff weary eyes. And for those of us moms out there, sometimes we just really do not get enough sleep. So this is definitely something that will come in good handy. The Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion, and this is going to run you about $40. This ultra light oil-free moisturizer helps blemish-prone skin stay smooth and healthy while also providing hydration. It also minimizes the appearance of pores, refines texture, and soothes redness and irritation. Okay, so then we have this cute little pouch here, and it looks like it's the KMC Beauty All Natural Collagen Infused Lip Masks. It comes in a pack of 5. And this is going to run you $24.99. And it says, Kiss Kiss. This lip mask works to plump and hydrate your delicate lips, infused with collagen, rose flower oil, cherry extract, and vitamin E. This gel texture treatment leaves you with the perfect pout. Now, I don't know about you guys, but the winter time is absolutely the worst for me, my skin, my lips, everything. So I am excited to give this stuff a try, see if these really do work. The number 14 Super Bloom, which comes in this really pretty purple box. And this is going to be the Anderson Lily Sunset Collection candle in Manhattan, Beach, Fresh Linen, or Super Bloom. And I got the Super Bloom, and it looks a little something like this. So it comes in this beautiful coppery gold container made with a hand-poured coconut wax blend in a cotton lead-free wick. The candle delivers a clean, even-burning fragrance. Housed in a lovely copper-colored vessel, these candles will add as much style as they do fragrance in any room. Whatever this is, and it's the Physique 57 massage roller, and this massage roller does wonders for sore, achy muscles, improves flexibility, breaks up scar tissue. It helps keep tender muscles at bay. This is going to run you about $20, and it does come in 3 other colors: purple, red, and silver. I plan on actually putting this in my gym bag after doing a long day of legs or any type of workout. My body gets very sore quickly. This Dermalect Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler, and it looks something like this. It's going to run you $18, and they say keep your nails healthy, smooth, and glossy with this filler. It multitasks by concealing your nail imperfections with a natural pink hue while treating them with proteins, vitamins, and moisture. So because it is this nice nudie color, I think it's perfect for anybody of any skin complexion. And it's also a great color for the spring. They do say to apply as a base or top coat, or you can wear it alone for a nice sheen. The last item in my box is going to be the Marrakesh Oil Argan and Hemp Oil Treatment. It's a hair styling elixir. Now this isn't on the piece of paper, but they did say that they added something extra to my box, since the other item would have been the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish, which I'm so upset about because I've seen this everywhere and I'm so like wanting to give it a try. But this argan oil is great. I actually received another one in the fall box, and I've been using it on my hair as well as even Riley's hair, and it gives our hair such a nice natural sheen while also giving a nice kind of fragrance to it that's very light. So this is definitely something that I will probably be using when I travel on vacation in about a month and a half, because this definitely keeps your hair looking healthy. So that was everything in the spring Fabfitfun box. I'm really excited to try these items, and I was almost thinking about creating videos where I'm using the different products, whether it's a pamper routine or even like a workout routine. Please let me know if that's something that you guys would like to see. Also, if you guys do enjoy these unboxing videos and would like to see more, remember to give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.